Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Nice. Bonus for Sal. Thank you.
I don't understand, my friend.
I found the money in your pants. Finders keepers.
You said my money, Anna.
Well, my money.
Why?
I found it.
Give me my money.
That's my money. I found
Come
it.
on, give me my money.
My friend,
I said, give me my money.
listen, I consider you one of my best friends.
But give me my money.
Give me my money. How long are we gonna do this?
But I give me my money, I go.
Give you money or you go?
Yeah.
All right, go.
No, my friend, this is you take the money, then no. Yes, say no.
Right.
To give me money, I go.
Fine. I'll give you $5, but that's it.
No $5. Give me my money, Anna.
All right.
Give
Take
me
it
my
easy.
money, yeah.
All right. Okay.
Give me my money.
You got it. You got it. Take it easy.
I
What?
close
What's the
this store now. I close this store, Kong and Pay.
I will give him my 5. Put it on 3. We'll put it down. Oh, I could get you here.